Hello everyone and welcome to this System.io review. You want to watch this before buying. System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that's gaining serious traction for helping entrepreneurs, freelancers, and online business owners streamline their operations. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for your online business, well, stick around because System.io might just be the best solution you've been looking for. We're saying this because we'll be diving into the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you know if it's the best choice for you. We have the link to System.io in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with its features, System.io is designed to be a comprehensive platform packing essential marketing tools into a single user-friendly interface. Some of its features include a sales funnel builder where you can easily create high-converting sales funnels with your intuitive drag-and-drop editor and proven templates. Then email marketing, where you get to build and manage your email list, send unlimited emails, and set up automated email sequences to nurture your leads. An online course platform is also available where you can host and sell your online courses with integrated payment processing and student management tools. You also have website builder and blog where you can create websites and blogs in minutes, thus allowing you to establish a strong online presence and publish content. Marketing automation, where you get to automate various aspects of your marketing from sending emails to managing course access, saving you time and effort. So you can have all this, but at what price? System.io offers incredibly competitive pricing, making it an attractive option for businesses at every stage. So you have the free plan, which is absolutely free, and you get up to 2,000 contact, 3 sales funnels, and 1 blog. The startup plan costs $17 per month, and you get up to 5,000 contacts, 10 sales funnels, and 5 blogs. You have the webinar plan, which is available at $47 per month, and you get up to 10,000 contacts, 50 sales funnels, and 10 evergreen webinars. Then you have the unlimited plan, which is priced at $97 per month, and everything here is unlimited. Unlimited contact, unlimited sales funnels, webinars, blogs, and courses. Now here's our recommendation. If you are having a growing online business or you're looking to expand significantly, we recommend the webinar plan. At $47 per month, it offers a fantastic balance of increased contact, funnels, and a crucial addition of evergreen webinars, which can be a game changer for automated sales. It provides ample room to scale your operations without the unlimited price tag. Now here are the strengths and weaknesses. Starting with the pros, you have an all-in-one solution where you get to consolidate multiple marketing tools into one platform, thus saving you money and simplifying your workflow. Affordable pricing. It offers one of the most generous free plans and highly competitive paid plans compared to alternatives. It is user-friendly and it has an excellent customer support. With the cons, it has limited design customizations. While functional, the design options and templates can be basic compared to more specialized builders. Then you have basic analytics. Reporting analytics might be less comprehensive than some dedicated analytics platforms. And lastly, it lacks the physical product shipping management, as it lacks features for direct shipping or label printing for physical products. In conclusion, System.io stands out as a highly effective and incredibly affordable all-in-one marketing platform. Its ability to seamlessly integrate sales funnels, email, marketing, online courses, and more makes it an invaluable asset for entrepreneurs looking to simply scale their online businesses. So, whether you're just starting out with a free plan or ready to go all in with the unlimited plan, System.io provides robust tools to help you succeed. So, don't forget to check out the link to System.io in the description below so you can get a head start at these services. Do let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.